It's Leo again with Molina Sunbury Pavers. We're still working. Look at this beautiful job. We are the best in the industry. Give us a call, please. Let me do your driveway. Let me make it look beautiful. Let me make it look amazing. I mean, come on, look at this. Look at the elevations. Look at the curvature. Look at the pitches. Look at the extra barrier that we put there so that the roots don't uplift the pavers. I mean, this is what we do every day. It looks great. You see there? So let me know when you're ready for a nice, beautiful driveway. We'll pass inspection, pool permits. We're doing pool decks, natural stone, driveways. Please give me a call. I would love to do your job. Somebody you could trust, someone that does great work. Leo Molina with Molina Sunbury Pavers. Thank you. Can't wait to hear from you.